In this video series, I'm going to look at frequently asked questions for the FY2 Standalone program. So another common question I get is, if I've already had a CREST completed, because I'm thinking of applying at ST1 or CT1, does that mean I won't be eligible for FY2? The answer to that is having CREST completed has no impact. Sitting MSRA has no impact on eligibility for FY2. So as long as you meet the other requirements, the language requirements and so on, you can apply. And why does this cause confusion? A lot of people misunderstand this bit of information from the FY2 Standalone program. What this is talking about is that if you have already completed Foundation or completed FY2 Standalone and have either FPCC, which is the Foundation Program Certificate of Completion, or the equivalent, which was what it was called before, was the FACD, then you're not eligible. Why? The whole point is that you're doing FY2 Standalone to get an FPCC. If you've already done Foundation, whether it's the full Foundation Program or FY2 Standalone, and already have FPCC or FACD, there's no point you doing this. This isn't an option for someone who's already done that, couldn't get a job and thinks, I find this easier than finding a non-training job or finding an FY3 post. It's not for those doctors. It's not, they wouldn't be eligible. However, if you have had CREST completed, that has no impact on you applying for FY2 Standalone. Actually, last year, we had several doctors that were on our FY2 SJT course that did just that. They had already applied or were applying for training, had CREST, also applied for FY2 and they got into FY2. It definitely has no impact because I've seen it in actual doctors that had done that, had sat MSRA as well, and are now doing FY2 Standalone. If you found that helpful, do follow the channel so you get access to the next video as soon as it goes up.